Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of Taskbar calendar not opening on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart File Explorer. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and go to the Task Manager. Let it load. Right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.